Hello and welcome, friends. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a brief introduction on this video into the power of Smart Media's revenue sharing program. Now, I can tell you that there are 3 other videos in our revenue sharing program series of videos, and I'll give you a little bit of an insight into those as we go through this. Now, as you're watching this video, there's no doubt that you're probably on this same page that I'm showing you on the video. I am on the opportunity page of the Smart Media corporate website. Now, on this website, there is a whole lot of information. If you want to get your questions answered, then you're certainly in the right place. And I'm going to give you a brief introduction into that, a tour of that, and also an introduction into our revenue sharing program. The first thing I'd like to talk to you about is Smart Media's business model and revenue sharing program. You see, the whole foundation of our business model and revenue sharing program is that it's based on the principle of the more you give, the more you receive. I'm sure you've heard that saying before, and that really is the core principle that Smart Media was founded upon. Now, you see, our goal is to help millions of people all over the world out of economic hardship to have a better quality of life. You know, whether you're looking to make a few dollars a week, to hundreds of dollars a week, to thousands of dollars a week, or perhaps even to make a fortune of your own, Smart Media has made it possible to be able to do that with this revenue sharing program. You see, we've got a business model like no other company. We are really a category creator. What do I mean by that? Well, firstly, let's take a look at this and then you'll see what I mean. Let's have a look at these companies here. I'm sure you've heard of companies like Yahoo and Google, Facebook, Twitter, Skype and YouTube. All of these companies are successful companies. I'm sure we could all agree with that point, right? You're probably using one or more of their services. Well, all of these companies have built a global community of internet users by giving away valuable free products and services. And these companies have then generated billions of dollars in revenue by selling digital advertising to companies and individuals who want to market their products and services to the huge captive audiences that these companies have built with their global communities of internet users. Does that make sense? Well, Smart Media sells digital advertising packages just like Facebook, Google and these other companies. And we also have and offer free member services to anyone who uses the internet. In fact, our goal is to offer the most valuable free member system that's ever been offered. And just like companies like Google and Facebook and YouTube and others, they have proven that digital advertising is big business. I'm sure we can all agree with that. These companies have generated billions of dollars in advertising revenue. Did you know, for example, that in 2012 it's the first time in history that digital advertising is outselling traditional forms of advertising? And it's not going to slow, friends. That is just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And Smart Media is a major player in this industry. We sell a range of the very best digital advertising and branding services available. And if you want to know more about our advertising and branding services, then all you would do is go up and you can look at this magazine. Now, I've already opened this up. You can get a free copy of this Smart Media magazine by just clicking on this, and that will take you to the digital copy here, which we have here. And also, you can also get a printed copy by talking to the person who told you about this, the website that you're on, and they can get you a printed copy of this magazine. Now, where I am in the magazine at the moment is I'm on the articles about our advertising. Like, we actually hired a private educational-based market research company to do some consulting for us, and they came up with these 2 articles on our advertising and branding service, A Revolution in Advertising and The Worth of 20 Minutes of Traditional Advertising. These will give you a pretty good insight into the value of our digital advertising services offered by Smart Media. Now, also here in this magazine, we also have an article here on Smart Media's advertising and branding services, how they offer the perfect advertising and branding solutions from businesses from the local corner shop to multinational companies companies to direct sales companies, network marketers, affiliate marketers, internet marketers, and non-profit organisations. But just go and read the magazine to find out more about that. Now, where we are different from those companies is that we share the major percentage of the advertising and branding revenue with our members who help us to generate this revenue. See, our members who we have free members and paid members, and while they're using the internet, they're helping us to generate revenue. Just like if you go and use Google, even though you're doing a Google search for free, that raises revenue for Google. Or if you're on Facebook or using YouTube, while you're using it, even though that's a free service, that's raising revenue for those companies. Well, Smart Media is exactly the same. Now, if you want to know about our free member service, then you can register as a free member or just go to the product page on the demo page and look at all the information on our Smart Media's homepage pay system, which is our free member program, which we consider to be the most valuable free member program ever offered. Now, we have a range of the very best digital advertising packages available in the world. Firstly, we have our digital branding packages. Now, you can see our digital branding packages by going to the join page of this website, and you'll see the cost and the components of what's in that package. Now, from all the revenue collected from those packages, those digital branding packages, we share up to 65% of that revenue with our members through 11 income streams. Now, those income streams, you can see down the bottom of the page here, we have 3 different direct bonuses, we have team commissions, 3 matching bonuses, and 3 star bonus income streams. That's 11 income streams that comes from the revenue that's collected from those packages. We also have pay-per-click digital advertising packages, where companies from all around the world can set up a pay-per-click advertising banner and advertise to all of our members, and the revenue that's generated from that, we share 75% of that revenue through 4 income streams with our members. And if you want to know more about that revenue stream, then all you do is go down and look at the advertising bonus and the pay-per-click, which covers those 4 income streams. Now, we also have virtual goods, which will be made available when we release version 2 of our homepage pay system, where our members will be able to purchase virtual goods. Now, 50% of that revenue will be shared through 2 income streams. Now, if you want to know more about virtual goods and the power of that income stream, then what I would suggest is just do some research on Facebook. You see, it is estimated that 12 to 18% of Facebook's total revenue comes from Facebook members going onto Facebook to play games. And then while they're on there playing games, they go on and play a game like Farmville, and then they might purchase a cow in Farmville for $4. Well, if that makes up 12 to 18% of Facebook's total revenue, and consider this, that Facebook doesn't own the games, Farmville and those other games that Facebook members play, and they don't own the virtual goods. That is owned by a company called Zynga, I believe. And Zynga, Facebook allows Zynga to offer it to their members, and then Facebook takes a percentage of the money, the revenue that's gained. Now, consider the power of that. If that makes up 12 to 18% of Facebook's total revenue, we'll consider that Smart Media owns all the games that will be played on homepage pays, and they also own the virtual goods, and they will be sharing 50% with our members. And so, now if you want to know more information on our revenue sharing program, as I mentioned, we will have, you can go and click on this Smart Media Revenue Sharing PDF, which I've already opened up here. And as you can see, if you go into this PDF, you can download it, onto your computer, and it covers a little bit of information, and then it goes into details on these 11 income streams, the 4 income streams, and the 2 income streams. So it's got all of that in this PDF document, and we also have another 3 videos available. One on the digital branding, the 65% shared on the digital branding packages, one on the 75% of the pay-per-click digital advertising, and one on the 50% of the virtual goods. So all of that information is available for you at your fingertips. Also on this website, if you want to also go to our homepage, you can watch our 3-minute introduction video on our company. If you go to the product page, you can see much more information on our products and services that we offer. You can see a demonstration of our Homepage Pays version 1 system. We've also got live webinars that you're more than happy to you come along to and register just by going to that webinar page. You can learn more information about our company here, and you can get a lot of information on our company just by reading this magazine. Now on this particular page, you can go to these different income streams to get more information where there's written information and videos available. And you can also download our very simple system. It's called our 2-a-day 20 in play system. And on this PDF, we go through and share with you how simple it is to be able to create a part-time income on a very part-time basis. You know, whether you want to earn a few dollars a week to hundreds of dollars a week to thousands of dollars a week, we've got a system available where all you do is give out your website and give away this magazine. What we say is give out 2 a day on a part-time basis. We know you might only be working a few days a week, and have a minimum of 20 magazines out there in play each month, and we can show you how you can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars a week by following that system. Now, if you want to know more about the power of that system, then watch this video here, which is how to make money with smart media using the 2-a-day 20 in play system. And we also show you our powerful income calculator, which shows you the power of this revenue sharing model. So I'd just like to thank you very much for being part of this introduction video and taking some time to watch this video. I certainly hope that this has helped to answer some of your questions, and it's also give you an idea of where you can go to get the rest of your questions answered. Have a wonderful day no matter where you are in the world, and hopefully I look forward to meeting you soon at one of our live webinars. Have a wonderful day, and talk to you soon. Bye for now.